Hey everyone, so today was almost entirely about the DAV Alliance. I had a great call today with a robotics company based out of San Francisco. They work on robots that do internal services, so they move around inside of buildings, and a little early stage for them, so they will be talking to us again probably in about 60 days. Also had a great meeting with a local firm. They're based out of the University of British Columbia. They've done some great work on sensors and AI for autonomous vehicles, and they're also working on smart city projects here locally and across the water over in Shanghai. One more thing, I had an excellent call with an external communications agency today. Wish I could divulge more about that, but let me just say that if we do get engaged with them and do some work with them, it will be really exciting, and I can explore more and explain more to you guys down the road when we have more information and things are a little more firm. So I have a really early call to do tomorrow with our PR agency, so I'm going to sign off for now. I will see you guys soon.
Hey guys, so yesterday I had a product strategy meeting with Eyal, our crypto economy advisor, together with Tal, and it was very fruitful. From there I continued working on our photo shooting communication protocol. I finished working on it today and already published it live, so you can find it on our developer portal. I also worked on the non-autonomous ride-hailing service research. I had a call with Andrew, a researcher, and we're continuing the progress over there, gathering the information. And I guess this is it for today, guys. Thanks.
Hi guys. Yesterday I prepared some new agreements and provided some review of our social posts and continued working on my inbox. Today, after yesterday's announcement, we always get a big boost in incoming emails. So today I'll be 100% in my email, in my inbox, and I'll be preparing for our weekly communications team call this evening. See you tomorrow.
Hey, Dabbers, Alick here. It's pretty late here at the office. I'm about to finish my day. So, as I said, it's all about the DAV Alliance. DAV Alliance. So, what I did today, I generated more than 52 email addresses, 21 Twitter accounts from our existing companies. On top of that, I added 17 new companies to our research spreadsheet and filled those up with 35 members from these companies. As you can see, the numbers are growing. So that's about it. John will do all the outbound communications today in North America, and we'll get back to you soon. Bye.
Hey, good evening. So yesterday I did some more follow-up with Joe about our video ads project, and then I started collecting some autonomous vehicles footage to use in our first video ad that kind of summarizes who we are and what we do with text and visuals, and then I made a draft for it, so hopefully we'll get it out there soon. Today I did some research about usable outsourced footage that we might use in the future, and then I made a draft for a video ad series that's gonna highlight the great advisors that we got on board and the great brands. And later I'll go on to our next project, which is to highlight some of the great reviews and scores that we got from online reviewers. And that's it for today. See you next time.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. So yesterday did a good amount of work on our Alliance page. So we have, as many of you guys know, the DAV Alliance, which is pretty much sort of us bringing together like-minded people in the AV industry. Today, the main focus has been really, I actually had a few meetings. So speaking with John a few different times, our CCO, going through that DAV Alliance page, sort of flushing that out a bit more. Also spoke with Blockchain Ale and Roy, thinking about potentially working with some other partners as it pertains to driving more community, more traffic, things like that. And then also working to really flush out, as I've been doing the past few days, making sure that we have the drumbeat really steady for the next few weeks and few months leading up to the token sale on April 30th. So making sure that all our content is in play there. And then also made some updates to the website regarding a few advisors yesterday. That was yesterday as well. So a lot of good things as always. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hi guys, so today was a very busy day, so I'm trying to keep it short so I can finish some stuff up. So we started the day meeting with some people with level 3. Another company that does security solutions, mainly for DDoS attacks. We talked to them about what we were going to need for the ICO, and we're probably going to get an offer soon. Then we continued to work on the jobs recruitment ad. We still didn't finish it. I really hope that it's going to go by the end of the day, but I'm not sure because we have to make some tweaks. And finally, some PRs that I've reviewed. There are some issues with that, and I'm still waiting for some of our community developers to solve that. So hopefully it's going to go out today. Thanks. Bye.